Let us unbox the new cloth stand I have ordered from Amazon. As you can see, this is the package I have received it. The color is orange. They have marked it. There is no water packaging for this. This comes in the original Bathla box itself. I guess it is not opened yet and not have damage. There is something like it. We'll see it later. This holds the address and everything. So this is the thing. So I guess I paid it around 1.70 or something like that. The MRP is 5,299. It's an aluminum stand. This is the packaging. As you can see, the name is Mobi Dry Neo Cloth Stand. High quality, convenient, blah blah blah, whatever. So let us unbox it. So I have to see how to open this. Okay, and this side is up, I guess. Yeah, very fragile. Slight damage, I guess. I don't know what will be the case with the product inside. Do we need to switch to the Android? No, it's fine, I guess. Yeah. So I guess I need one more hands. I'll just keep the phone aside and I'll do it. Okay, now I got it. Actually I was lifting it up, but the thing is we need to unbox it like this. So there is one here and we have to use this. And, oh shit. Then this one is second. We have to do it like this. And are there any more? No, I guess that's it. Yeah, it comes down like this. This is the thing. This is the box. There are few places where the paint is gone. Yeah, I guess we need to cleanly inspect this. So we need to find, are there any dents or physical damage. The paint is slightly gone here and there. I guess it's visible in the camera. Let me focus. Here. And this is the box. Let me see what are the contents inside the box. This is the tag. They have given the date, so I guess this is for the warranty purpose. It has 2 years warranty. Some booklet, I guess. Oh, I guess how to use this one. Oh no, actually it's about they are giving the advertisement of different products they have. And one more tag is there. This one will be dry. So what to understand. Extend the life of your Bathla mobile cloth dry. A wipe after every use with dry cloth. So let's open this up. So I don't know which side is it. Got it. So here also there is few places where the paint is chipped. It's okay. So yeah. Let me try it now. So these are not that strong. Places where the paint is completely chipped. It's fine, I guess. The main stand is of high quality, but the small rods which are here are not that much of quality. Yeah, let's open it and see what's the thing I guess I need to get a white paint and put it here, these places. Actually this is in rust resistive metal. I thought it might come in a stainless steel, but I guess it's a normal metal. See here, paints are completely chipped. Okay, here's a zip tag, they have tied it here, so I need to break it first. Yeah. Now it's ready to rest. Oh, this one is like this, so let us open it first. Oh, there is a rod below here. Yeah, this one we need to place it in the desired angle we need. It holds like this and this stands what am I saying, the stands so like this. So if you want a lower position, you can keep it in the lower position. If you want a higher position, you keep it in the higher position. The same thing is on the other side too. So after doing this, you have to hold like this and take this up and lock this up in the desired position. See, it's not completely gonna fitting inside. And there is the fit and finish is not that good, but I bought it because it is Bathla, and Bathla is known for sturdy products they make. We have a ladder in our house. We have been using it for more than 3 years, I guess. It's still running very fine. Just that we have painted it once. Yeah, that's it. These are, I guess, negligible if the quality is good. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. To mention, so you just lift it up and the rod goes down and you can close it. You also have space near below this. So, and this is what holds the stand in the perfect angle. You have plastic caps on the each side, so I guess for the protection. Yeah, that's it. And it is not too hefty. We can lift it. I don't know how much weight it has, I mean how much kg it is. We have to see it later. Yeah, that's it. It is easy to use. You can, after using it, you can fold it. You just need to lift it up, yeah, like this, I guess. Yeah, that's it. And it takes very less space. You can tie a rope or something like a zip tie to keep it closed always, or else you will have this jiggle. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.